Today we're going to connect to the Uconnect infotainment system in the 2020 Jeep Wrangler via Bluetooth. From the opening screen of the Uconnect system, select Phone. Next, the system will ask if you want to pair a phone. Select Yes. At this point, make sure that Bluetooth is turned on and set to discoverable on your mobile device. The Uconnect system will display a 4-digit PIN number. Verify the number matches the pairing request sent to your phone. Next, the Uconnect system will ask you to confirm that the pins match. Select Yes. The system will now tell you that the Bluetooth pairing was successful. Select OK. A prompt will appear on your phone asking if you would like to import your contacts into the Uconnect system. Select Yes. Congratulations! You are now successfully connected. Be sure to tune into the other videos in our 2020 Jeep Wrangler model series. Thanks for watching.